now we have our horse, our raptor, and over there is Kuya Roy. He's wearing a leather glove or gauntlet, which is very important because our bird's talons or feet are very sharp and long. It protects Kuya Roy's arm and it is worn on his left hand. And if you noticed, our bird here is wearing a hood. This is to limit their vision and help them focus on their target alone. And now you might be asking by now, how do you train these birds to hunt? They practice through luring. So now let's call on Kapitan. Everyone meet Kapitan, a Philippine hawk eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by local barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated to us with a broken leg, and due to this, he can barely fly. And after nursing him back to health, Kapitan is now one of our swiftest flyers. Everyone say, hi Kapitan! And over there, you can see Kuya Gerald holding a lure. A lure is basically a piece of rope that has a bait on one end. A lure is shaped like a rabbit. Nakikita niyo po ba? Is it shaped like a rabbit? Yes, because Kapitan likes to eat rabbit. So now, gusto niyo po ba makita na mag-lure si Kapitan? Again, gusto niyo po ba makita na mag-lure si Kapitan? So now, let's cheer for Kapitan! Go Kapitan! If you notice, Kapitan was indeed lured or chased after the lure. Your lure should be similar in appearance to what you want your bird to hunt. This is how you train them. And of course, there are particular raptors that has particular preferred meat to eat. And now another raptor that I want you to check it. Valor. Valor is a gray-headed fish eagle. And what do you think fish eagles eat? Fish! That's right, just like what Kuya Ren is holding over there. So now let's see if Valor can be lured with a fish. So now let's cheer for Valor. Go Valor!
Go Valor! Go Valor! What's that?
As you can see, these birds are very fierce and very protective to their food. So better to not disturb them while they are eating. So there are two types of raptors. That they are not raptors